Dear aspirants, welcome to my channel. This is an model question paper 1, construction material, civil engineering, part B, 2 marks question. So subject name is construction material, subject code is 25CE11I. These are the 2 marks questions. List any 2 requirements of good building stone. So good requirement, it should be durable and second is strength. So you can write it is durable and it is strength, you can write. If you want me to explain how the durability will be takes place, if the building stone is durable, it will be resistance to weather, okay, erosion and chemical attack, okay. And also it will be withstand, durability nothing but withstand rain, wind, temperature changes without any deterioration of the material of the stone. So coming to the strength wise, we have to know what do you mean by strength, resisting capacity. So if you applied load on a material or load on a stone, what will happen? It will bear the stress. Whatever load which is acting on the stone, it will be bear. When you apply the load, it may break or it may crush. It should be withstand by the load. So and it will give the good stability and long life for the structure. Next will be identify any 4 major ingredient of ordinary Portland cement. So you just mention what are the ordinary materials which will be or ingredients which are required for the identified the ordinary Portland. One is an lime, second one is an silica, third one is an aluminium, fourth one is an iron oxide. These 4 names you can write for 2 marks. So if you want me to explain how it will be affect on ordinary Portland cement, this they may ask for 5 marks question. You can write that answer also. So for your understanding purpose and your learning purpose I am explaining. So if your lime will be present in the ordinary Portland cement, okay. So what will give? It will provide the strength and it will help you to formation of the compound in the manufacturing process. If lime will be helpful. Coming to the silica, so it is in silica which will be silica react with lime already present in the cement. Silica will be react with the lime material which will be form a calcium silicate compound and it will give the good setting time and strength. It will give the good strength and setting property of the cement. Next will be an aluminium oxide. What is the role of aluminium oxide? So it will give you the whatever cement will be formed, it is in the form of clinkers, okay, to get after coming to affected by the setting time and it will be resistance to the cement and it will resisted by the high temperature. So coming to the iron oxide, so what is the role of iron oxide? Iron oxide which will give a color to the cement and it will give formation of a calcium. When you lime or iron oxide which will be react with a calcium ferrate compound will be formed, it will give the good strength and durability of the cement. Next will be mention any 2 advantage of fly ash bricks. So coming to an advantage, it is a environmental benefit and it will give the better strength and durability of the fly ash bricks. These 2 points you can write. So how the environmental effect benefits which will be helpful for the fly ash brick, okay. Here, so whatever fly ash nothing but is a waste fly ash nothing but waste material, the waste product from the coming from the thermo plant. So it will be reduce the air pollution, correct? No, if you use it for the making the bricks, okay. So you can use it for a disposal, landfills also we are using and it is used for the sustainable construction means like a fly ash bricks. So better strength and durability. Coming to the better strength durability, so if you use the fly ash bricks which resist the compressive strength coming to the compared to the clay bricks, okay, and it will absorb more water. These bricks will be absorb more water, it will give the more durability and it will give the less crack and over time it will withstand the damages. Next is list any 2 property of good timber. So it is having a good strength and it is having a good durability. So coming to the, if you consider as a good timber, timber is a good, you have to check for it should be strong and it should be able to carry the load. When you apply the load on material, it should not be break down. uh, it should not break. So coming to the durability nothing but it is resistance by the decaying and moisture like insects, and will give the long life to the property, a long life to the timber. That is durability you have to consider here. So next, coming to the state the application of rebel steel or TMT bar in the constructions. So what are the application? So which we can use it for reinforcement concrete, which we can use it for improve the durability. We are using a TMD bar. Everybody knows TMD bar. So coming to the reinforcement, it will give the good strength to the structure like a building, roads and bridges, and improving durability nothing but it will be prevent the cracks and improve the strength and stability of the concrete under the tension. So this you can write. Next is mention any two uses of vitrified tiles. So everybody knows tiles we can use it for home floorings and all. So you coming to the we can use it for floorings and we can use it for wall cladding. Means nowadays they are using for claddings, means walls they are going to use for vitrified tiles. So vitrified tiles we can use it for room flooring nothing but house, offices, commercial spaces, and it will give good durability and smooth finish purpose we are using. Coming to the wall cladding, so wall cladding nothing we have used for wall cladding, we are using bathrooms, we are using kitchens, we are using, and we can use it for exterior walls to clean and moderate look. Aesthetic look means good look we are using nowadays tiles. Next question, mention any two types of special glass, their applications. Okay, so there's a special type of glass, that is tempered glass and laminated glass. Okay, so where we have to use tempered glass, which we can use it for glasses always we are used it for windows and shower doors we can use, and windshield to strong windshields we are going to use because it is a strong and shutter and small pieces broke down when broke down. That purpose we are using. Okay, going to the laminated glass. This glass which we can use it for car wind shades and sky lights they are using, and the laminated which we can use it, the layer of plastic between two glasses sheets and make the safer and reduce the noise. It is made up of plain plastic sheets, and it will be ready if it breaks it will be reduce the noise. So coming to next is write any two applications of bitumen in a civil works. So in the bitumen which we can use it for road constructions and we can use it for waterproofing material. So bitumen is used for binder in the construction of asphalt, what you say in the tar. That is we call it as an bitumen, that we can use it for construction of smooth and durable roads that we can use. And waterproofing nothing but which we can use it for water roofs, basements and foundation to prevent the leakage purpose we are using. Olden days they were using any leakage will be takes place. There they were using as a tar on the where the leakage will be takes place, that holes they are going to filling with a tar. So if the content is useful, please subscribe my channel and share and support. So I am going to upload one more videos. Keep watching. Thank you.